Welcome everyone. In this video, I'm going to cover how to create differentiated due dates for Canvas assignments. You can see that I'm in a Google Certified Educator Level 1 professional development course. This process works for any class with students. I just happen to use this one so that student names are not shown. I'm going to navigate to wherever I create my assignments. That may be in the assignments index, it may be in modules. I'm going to demo that in the assignments index, but if you go through modules, that's perfectly fine as well. You can choose to complete this process with any assignment you've already created by simply clicking on the assignment and editing the section that I'm going to show you in just a moment. But I'm going to create a brand new assignment. So I'm going to click the plus assignment button right here. And the topic of this video is not to delve into how to create an assignment. I have a number of other resources that will help you with that process. So please explore those if you would like to. I'm just going to simply give this an example, this name of an example of differentiated due dates, if I can type that correctly. And once I have done that, I would complete the information here as I'm completing a regular assignment. And again, please feel free to check my resources on that if you have any questions. The section we are looking for here is assign to. Assign to. By default, this is always going to go to everyone right here. But I can get rid of that by selecting the X. And let's say that I just want to assign this to one student. I want to give one student a due date. So I have a test student here called Abe Lincoln. I'll select Abe Lincoln. And I'm going to give Abe the due date of this Friday, August 27th. And maybe I'm going to make that assignment available from today and then have it available until next Tuesday. So this one student, maybe they have an IEP, maybe they need extended time or whatever, I can assign that to one particular student. And then I can click add right here. Now I'm going to only show two groups. You could have three or more groups if you would like. I'm simply going to show two. But now if I type everyone, I can select everyone, but Canvas will recognize that I already had one student taken out of that group, so it's going to say everyone else. It will default to everyone else. So maybe everyone else in the class has a due date of Thursday, and it's going to be available from the same time. It's going to be available from today until August 31st. But this group of students, being everyone in the class other than Abe Lincoln, is going to have the due date of the 26th. Abe Lincoln is going to have the due date of the 27th. So I'm going to select save. And once I have done that, I can then place this in a module, or I can do whatever I would like with that assignment. It is always a best practice to put that in a module. But notice that the students will get different due dates, and the students aren't going to know that. So I'm not going to know if I'm in the everyone else group that one student has a deadline one day past mine, nor is Abe Lincoln going to know that all the other students have the assignment due a day before they do. So that's the way to create differentiated due dates for a Canvas assignment. If you have any questions about this process, please let me know.